Hello, amazing artists. Welcome back to another exciting drawing adventure. Today, we're drawing the super cool Super Sonic. It's going to be a blast, and don't forget to stay till the end for a special Sonic surprise. Let's get started. First, we'll draw one ear, just like a triangle. Now stretch one side of that triangle downwards to start the side of his face. Next, draw his other ear, again, a triangle, and this time add a smaller triangle inside it for the inner ear. Now stretch the side of this ear down too, so his face outline is complete. Time to draw his eyes. They kinda look like swimming goggles, don't they? Now let's make his mouth area. And of course, his other angry eye and his round little nose. Leave a tiny white spot on his nose to make it look shiny. He looks angry but still super cute, right? Now draw his round lower body, like a little ball. Let's add his thin arms and those big, powerful fists. He means business. Next, draw his thin legs and his awesome pointy shoes. Add a stripe and a buckle to each shoe, just like the real thing. Ready for his famous hedgehog spikes? Start with a big spike on his back. And then add a few more, some large, some small, all across his head. Now let's go over everything with a thick black outline to really make it pop. Time to color. Start with beige for his inner ears, mouth, and belly. Then go bright with yellow for his body and spiky hair. Color those awesome shoes red, leave the stripes white. and make the buckles yellow. You did it, but wait, we promised a surprise. Let's draw some cool chaos emeralds. They look magical floating around supersonic, don't they? We almost forgot that. And just like that, your supersonic with Chaos Emeralds drawing is complete. It looks epic. You're a superstar. Thanks for drawing with me today. See you next time. Until then, take care and keep creating.